third grade. Welcome back for day 2 of art e-learning. All right, who is ready to create something today? Me. All right, so today we're going to start our first project, and it's going to be over color. Very simple. This should hopefully be a review because you guys are third graders. So hopefully by now you guys have talked about the color wheel and you've talked about a couple different types of colors. So there are 4 vocab words that I want you guys to be familiar with today. These words are primary colors, secondary colors, warm colors, and cool colors. So these are the 4 types of colors we're going to be focusing on today. So the first one is the primary color, are the primary colors. Primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. So these are our 3 primary colors. With these 3 colors, we can make all of the other colors. So fun. So the colors that we can make by mixing the primary colors together, those are called secondary colors. So let's do a little bit of art math. If I take red and yellow and I put it together, who can tell me what color I get? I think I heard somebody say orange. You're correct. Orange. So red and yellow make orange. Now, red and blue. If I put those together, who knows what color that makes? Come on, shout it out. I want to hear it. Did I hear somebody say my favorite color, purple? Yeah! Red and blue make purple. So purple is the secondary color. Our last secondary color is made by mixing blue and yellow together. Blue and yellow, when mixed, will make green. So green. So our secondary colors then are orange, purple, and green. So we have the 3 primary colors, and we have the 3 secondary colors. Boop. Red, blue, yellow, primary. Purple, green, orange, secondary. All right? Now, we also can sort colors by the way they would visually look in terms of like temperature. It's a fancy way of saying, does the color look like it would be something that's hot or warm, or does it look like it could be something that's like cold or cool? So we're talking about warm and cool colors. So when I think of things that are warm, I automatically think of the sun. What's something else that could be warm? Okay. Oh, I think I heard somebody say fire. Fire could be warm. So when we think about the sun, I think of it as yellow. A bonfire. Okay, we heard fire. Maybe a little orange. Maybe a little bit of red. Ooh, ooh la la. Red, orange, yellow. These are our warm colors. Woo woo! So red, orange, yellow, warm colors. Well, that means we are left with the cool colors. Cool colors are colors that are more visually chill. So let's think water, ice, wet dewy grass on a wet morning, crisp morning. So that's going to give us maybe a little bit of green if we're thinking about like crisp grass in the morning. Maybe some cool blue for the water or the ocean. And sometimes the ocean or the water or river or lake, whatever, can even look a little purplish. So these are our cool colors. Blue, green, and purple. These are Mrs. McKinney's favorite colors. The cool colors, because we are cool. So, cool colors, blue, green, purple. Warm colors, red, orange, yellow. All right, guys. So today, we are going to be doing a project where you are going to demonstrate your ability to sort the colors. You're going to show me that you understand the 3 primary colors, which are red, blue, and yellow. And then you're going to show me that you can identify the 3 secondary colors, which are purple, orange, and green. And then you're going to show me that you can identify the 3 warm colors, which are, that's right, red, orange, yellow. And then lastly, you're going to show me my favorite, the 3 cool colors, which are blue, purple, and green. All right, what we're going to be making is this awesome popsicle picture. Woo woo! So very basic today, guys. We are going to be creating a popsicle, and we are going to divide it into 3 sections so that we can demonstrate primary, secondary, warm, and cool. All right, so I'm gonna switch my camera around so you guys can see what my hands are doing. So angling down, and now here we go. So you guys hopefully can see my paper. And we are gonna start by folding. Oh, I'm gonna pause. If you guys need to pause me, go ahead and do that real quick because you're gonna need to grab a few things. You're gonna need to grab a piece of paper. You're going to grab a pencil. You're going to grab a black marker. And you're going to grab either crayons or colored pencils and the lovely marker colors I already showed you before. So why don't you guys go grab a box of markers and a box of crayons or colored pencils and pause me while you go do that, and then unpause me when you come back, okay? Do 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 Boom, boom. Okay, that was my little Jeopardy song. Hope you guys liked it. All right, let's get ready to create. Okay, so I am going to start by taking my paper and I'm going to fold it in half like a hot dog, and then I'm going to fold it in half like a hamburger. So basically, I am making 4 boxes. Alrighty. I'm going to take my black marker and I am going to trace the folds that I made. Now, you guys can do this 2 ways. Option 1, you just sit here and watch my video and then you go do the project. Or you can do it along with me right now. And you might need to pause if you need to have a few extra minutes to color, because I'm going to try to go a little bit fast for those kids who just want to watch and then do the project afterwards. So if you guys need to or want to do it at the same time I am, that's totally fine. Just pause as you need to, and then we'll catch back up. Alrighty, so we have our 4 boxes. I am going to label them. One of them is going to be the primary colors. Primary is P-R-I-M-A-R-Y. And then I'm going to label another one secondary, S-E-C-O-N-D-A-R-Y. Okay? Next, I'm going to label warm, W-A-R-M. And lastly, my favorite, cool, C-O-O-L. Okay, I am going to switch to my pencil next, and I am going to draw a popsicle in each of my squares. Now, the way I draw a popsicle is very, very simple. I draw a line across. I draw the stick. And then I draw a big upside down U for my popsicle. And I'm going to repeat that in each of my boxes. So I'm going to end up with 4 popsicle shapes. Don't worry if they're not perfect. I'm not looking for perfection. What I'm looking for is that you can identify the primary, secondary, warm, and cool colors. Alrighty, so now I need to divide each popsicle into 3 sections. And you can do this however you want to. I'm going to do primary with like a curve. I'm going to do secondary with, whoopsie, 1, 2, 3. I can't count apparently, but 1, 2, 3. We're good with diagonal lines. I am going to do warm with zigzag lines. And I'm going to do cool with just very basic straight lines. Okay, now that those are drawn, I'm going to take my black marker again, and I am going to outline what I drew so that it is a lot more visible for you guys on the camera. Plus, it's going to really make our design pop. So I don't love how I did this one, but it's okay. It works. Again, if I am going too fast, just pause the video and catch up. Okay? Not a big deal if you have to pause. And or the other option, of course, is just waiting until the very end. Okay, so we are going to be starting with the primary popsicle. So I'm going to label. I have red, R-E-D, red. I have blue, B-L-U-E, and I have yellow, Y-E-L-L-O-W. Okay. Next, I'm going to move on to my secondary colors, where I have purple, P-U-R-P-L-E. I have green, G-R-E-E-N. And lastly, I have orange, and I have to write tiny, O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Woohoo! Okay, so primary and secondary colors have been identified. Now it is time to work on my warm and cool colors. So warm colors, I have red, R-E-D. I have yellow, Y-E-L-L-O-W. And I have orange, O-R-A-N-G-E. Let's go warm, woo! And then cool colors, I'm going to go B-L-U-E, spells blue. P-U-R-P-L-E, spells purple. And last, G-R-E-E-N, spells green. Okay, so I have all of my areas labeled. So now I am ready to color. Here comes the fun part. Okay, so I am going to swap out my markers for my colored pencils. Now, you guys take your time and do your very best coloring, because what I'm looking for again is effort and understanding of your colors. So I'm not expecting a perfect masterpiece, but I am expecting third grade quality coloring. You are not in kindergarten, so there should be no scribble scrabble. Your coloring should be nice and solid. I like to do all of my reds at a time and then do all my blues at a time. I just find it a little bit easier to jump around, and we already labeled our color areas, so we know where everything's going to be. So I'm going to jump around. So I did my red. And now I am doing my blue. And again, guys, if I am going too fast, that's okay. Pause the video and catch up. I'm going fast for those kiddos who are watching me do it right now and who plan on doing their own drawing after the video is over. Okay, so I'm doing my very best version of fast coloring. I am leaving no white showing. So I am taking good effort and making sure that I have a nice, solid colored picture. All right. Now, you guys could be using crayons or colored pencils. I like labeling in markers because it's easy to see, and it doesn't get covered up when we color over it with the crayon or the colored pencil. So that is a good thing in my book. Okay, green and green. And let's see, last but not least, my favorite color, Ben Davis purple. I live in Brownsburg, so it's also Brownsburg purple. So, plus it's just my favorite color because purple's pretty. So, all right. So we have our popsicles color. Now, because I like a finished project, I am also going to color my sticks because I want it to look lovely. Okay. So the only thing missing from this picture right now is something super important, considering I am going to be receiving a whole bunch of these pictures. Now, they're going to be uploaded to your own It's Learning page, but it would make life so much easier if, just to be safe, you added your name somewhere on it so that I can be like, oh, hey, that's Mrs. McKinney's paper. All right. So, guys, we are finished. What do you think? Ooh, so that's the one I did today. There was my original one. So, there's the two. All right, guys. Amazing work today. Those of you who followed along with me, hope you guys paused and were able to keep pace. Those of you who watched the video and are going to do it next, good luck, have fun. I can't wait to see these finished projects uploaded. Again, warm colors, cool colors, primary colors, secondary colors. Those are the 4 things we learned about today. All right, guys, bye.